waters forecast for the following: Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan south. Tonight, northeast wind 10 to 20 knots becoming east. Patchy fog south through mid-evening. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Monday, east wind 10 to 20 knots becoming northeast. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Monday night, east wind 10 to 20 knots becoming southeast 15 to 25 knots. Chance of showers and thunderstorms late. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet. Tuesday, southeast wind 15 to 25 knots diminishing to 10 to 20 knots. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Waves 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet. Tuesday night, south wind 10 to 20 knots becoming southwest 15 to 25 knots. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Waves 3 to 5 feet. Wednesday, west wind 10 to 20 knots becoming northwest. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday night, west wind 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Thursday, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots veering to northeast. Waves 1 foot or less. Friday, south wind 10 to 20 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of southwest Michigan, northern Indiana, and northwest Ohio. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms are likely Tuesday and Wednesday. Heavy rain will be the most likely concern, but the risk of strong to locally severe storms may exist Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. Heat and humidity will likely become a concern as we approach Friday into the weekend. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the nearshore waters of southeastern Lake Michigan. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. There is a good chance for thunderstorms Tuesday into Wednesday. The South Bend climate summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., June 24, 2018. Today's high temperature was 77 degrees. This high was 5 degrees below the normal high of 82. Today's low temperature was 63. This low was 2 degrees above the normal low of 61. The mean temperature was 70 degrees and was 2 degrees below the normal of 72. No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 4.02 inches. This is 0.92 inches above the normal amount of 3.10 inches for June. There were no heating degree days today. This leaves the monthly total at 9. The yearly total since July 1st is 6,478. There were 5 cooling degree days today. This brings the monthly total to 115. The yearly total since January 1st is 225. The normal high temperature for tomorrow is 82 degrees, and the normal low is 62. The record high for tomorrow is 104, which occurred in 1988, and the record low is 43, which occurred in 1986. Sunset tonight is at 9:24 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:12 a.m. Now here is the forecast. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 60. North wind 5 to 10 miles per hour shifting to the east toward daybreak. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs around 80. East wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Monday night, partly cloudy through early morning, then mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms toward daybreak. Lows in the mid-60s. Southeast wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tuesday, showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs in the lower 80s. South wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Chance of showers and thunderstorms through midnight, then showers and thunderstorms likely toward daybreak. Lows around 70. South wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Wednesday, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Heat index readings 102 to 107. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Heat index readings 101 to 106. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Sunday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJY62 in LaPorte. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. The current time is 7:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time weather conditions. In Michigan City, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 63 degrees, the dew point 61, and the relative humidity 94%. The wind was northeast at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.01 inches and steady. Around the region, at Fort Wayne, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 79. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 64 at Benton Harbor, 70 at South Haven, and 80 at Indianapolis. It was fair, with a temperature of 69 at LaPorte, 74 at Valparaiso, and 71 at South Bend. Under fair skies, Goshen reported 75, Grand Rapids reported 73, and Chicago reported 71. And for Lake Michigan coastal and open lake buoy observations. At Calumet Harbor, winds were north at 5 knots. Air temperature 62 degrees. At Michigan City, winds were north at 13 knots. Air temperature 61 degrees. Burns Harbor recorded winds from the northeast at 9 knots. At St. Joseph, winds were north at 4 knots. Air temperature 62 degrees. In open waters, at the South Lake Michigan buoy, winds were north at 12 knots. Waves were 2 feet. At 4 miles offshore of Bridgman, winds were north at 8 knots. Waves were 2 feet. Water temperature was 62 degrees. Michigan City buoy recorded winds from the northeast at 10 knots. Water temperature was 64 degrees. Wave heights was 2 feet. Here is a regional view of the weather. An isolated shower is possible this evening across south-central lower Michigan and far northwest Ohio, but otherwise dry conditions are expected from tonight through later Monday night. The next system to affect the area will be Tuesday and Wednesday, when some locally heavy rain is possible, along with the potential of a few strong storms. Dry weather will return for Wednesday night, but heat and humidity will build for Thursday and Friday. Low temperatures tonight will range from the mid-50s to lower 60s. High temperatures on Monday will range from the mid-70s across south-central lower Michigan to the lower 80s across west-central Indiana. Now here is